Hello and welcome to the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 25 seed Halfway Tree Primary from St. Andrew up against Meadowbrook Preparatory, also from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. So earlier on we had the coin toss. Meadowbrook won and decided to go first. So we'll start off section 1, and in this section we ask teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. Let's begin with Bible knowledge. Meadowbrook, in Psalm 23, what did David say would comfort him?
God's blessing, God's blessing.
God's blessing.
Incorrect. The rod and staff. Halfway tree. In Psalm 23, where did David say God led him?
At the mount.
Incorrect. Beside the still waters or in the paths of righteousness. Science. Meadowbrook. Which type of clouds are high clouds that look like tiny cotton balls bunched together?
Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds.
Correct. Halfway tree. Which type of clouds are middle level clouds that are small, white and puffy?
Cirrus.
Incorrect. It's altocumulus clouds. Local affairs. Meadowbrook. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this member of Jamaica's parliament.
JC Hutchinson.
JC Hutchinson.
Correct. Halfway tree. Do the same. Look at the monitor and identify this member of Jamaica's parliament. Question passes to Meadowbrook. Would you like to try?
Mike Henry.
Correct. Still with you, Halfway tree? English, still with you, Meadowbrook, rather. English language. What is the adjective used in this sentence? It's a huge decision to make.
Huge. Huge.
Correct. Halfway tree. What is the adjective used in this sentence? The dress in the mall is expensive.
Expensive. Expensive.
Correct. Television. Meadowbrook, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
James. Claire James.
It's Eddie Murphy. Halfway tree. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Will Smith. Will Smith.
That's correct. General knowledge. Meadowbrook. In which country is the Forbidden City located?
Jerusalem.
Incorrect. That's China. Halfway tree. In which country is the Brandenburg Gate located?
India.
Incorrect. It's Germany. Social studies. Meadowbrook. Into how many main categories can mountains be classified?
2.
Incorrect. It's 5. Halfway tree. There are what type of mountain is formed by the accumulation of larvae on the Earth's surface?
Volcano.
Not accepted? Okay, it's a volcanic mountain. So that's incorrect. We move on to music. Meadowbrook, what is another name for the semibreve?
Half note.
Half note.
Incorrect. It's a whole note. Music for halfway tree. What is another name for the crotchet?
High note.
Incorrect. It's the quarter note. Mathematics for Meadowbrook. What is 3/8 written as a decimal?
.35. 0.35.
Incorrect, 0.375. And halfway tree, what is the decimal? 0.35, written as a fraction in its lowest terms.
Seven over 20.
That's correct. And that's the bell. And at the end of section 1, we have Meadowbrook on 4 and halfway tree primary on 3. We go for a break, but please listen out for the NCB friendly tip. Do not meet someone or have them visit you without the permission of your parents. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.